Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. It's Friday, so let's see what's really happening in the market. You know what, guys? I already moved the market very quick. Very quick, actually. If you are in my team, obviously you already moved the market. It's very early, but hey, we already eaten. So, actually, I took this from the system GBPJPY. You can see it here. Then this thing is telling me that this indicator is telling me that the market can still push higher. And I got it, and I actually placed some order, but multiple positions very quick, and I made something from that. Also Euro, also GBPUSD, we also moved that one. So let me show you on maybe another account. So on this account, you can see we just made some very quick profits on GBPJPY and also GBPUSD. You see, so this system, guys, is very powerful. If you want it, you're not forced, but if you want the system, let me know. Then maybe at least it will show you what might happen. You see, at least it will show you what might happen. And we got the market very quick, and only this candlestick was actually enough. And I sent this in the group. I hope my people in the group can confirm that on the comment sections. Anyways, that's great for now. Let's go straight to our quick analysis. Remember, you can still join our team for $39. I will show you that maybe later on. So let's go on our analysis. Oh, you can see this one. You can see what's really happening. As I showed you. So anyways, let's see what's really happening. I'll start with GBPUSD. On 4 hours time frame. We don't really have to waste enough time, guys. We don't really have to waste enough time. That system that I showed you there is only $50, but you can still join our signals for $39. So you will just choose which one do you want. So on GBPUSD, as I'm not going to waste enough time. I've been doing this for Monday and now it's Friday. You can just check there. The market is actually on a very nice bullish momentum. And what we see here, we see that the market was going up very nice. Now the market is coming back. And when we check, this is perfectly on the support area. And why the market did reverse, why the market reversed here, I think it is because the market actually aggressively pushed up very quick. And most of the time when the market pushed like that, we have the same effect of going down or on the opposite direction, just to cover that before we see another push to the upside. I hope you see that. I've been talking about that for quite some time. So if we go closer, let's go maybe on 2 hours time frame and see what's really happening. You can easily see that yes, the market actually reached this support area. But besides that, on the support on the bottom side, we also have a sort of a horizontal support area. Do you see that? We have this horizontal support, and yes, you can see that we had a buy pending order within 15 minutes. Already we are here. And yeah, I'm still expecting the market to push up around this area. It seems like it might be something, yeah, like a resistant, but my people, they're already halfway in the profit. So I told them to secure their profits because it's Friday. Learn to run away. Don't just hold every day. Sometimes we hold, sometimes we run, sometimes we hold. As long as you're making something, is better than nothing. So now I'm still expecting it to push up, but I think we're gonna have some issues with this resistance or even this resistance on top there. But the market at the end of the day, it might still push to the upside, you see. So anyways, let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. I smashed this one and I went out. The reason why I said we should move out very quick, it's because this thing has been buying for quite some time. It's still like it's actually on a serious bullish momentum. But if you checked early around 8 o'clock, we had GDP for Britain, or GBP. We had GDP domestic it's G gross domestic products for British pound, right? So that was not even negative, so it's the same as forecast, so did not actually affect anything. Later on, we saw the market pushing up, but besides that, we can easily see that the market is actually been flying to the upside. The market is been actually pushing to the upside. Where we are now, we just trying to hit and run. The reason behind that is we oversold. The market is oversold. If they say something, especially in Japan, if they say something which seems to be positive, we will see something going, the market starting to melt. But on the other side, we still have to follow the rules and follow the structure. On this one, on GBP, I signed this on the special team. If you don't know, we have a special team which actually receives special also signals. There are people who are coming from the VIP signals, but they receive the special signals which are like are very, very, very quick signals. I just say buy, sell, whatever. Then those are the signals that we get on a special team. Actually, sort of scalping. So on a VIP signals, it's just normal signals that we send every day. But on special team, it's something like this. I say, okay, I just see a buy and say just buy. Then I will send maybe the stop loss later after a few seconds or after a few minutes. Like they're already eating already. But beside that, we can see that the market is actually on a sort of a support area. And I'm still expecting the market to still push to the upside. But if we're going to use common sense also, we have to understand that the market is actually overbought. There is a room for reversal. So when you buy, don't forget and just place and hold for 2 days, you will find the market somewhere and you're not going to like that. Anyways, let's push to the next one, which is gold. Yeah, also smash this one, scalping this gold yesterday, the time it was pushing up. So what's really happening on gold? I think the best way is to show you on a daily time frame so that we can be on the same page. So on a daily time frame yesterday, I saw that no, man, this thing is still on an uptrend, and we start to see that the market is coming back on this support. I think we did have something like this, but it was up here, I no longer remember. So now again, I think we have the same structure, which shows us that the market is actually respecting, gold is actually respecting the support structure on a daily time frame. And to confirm that, we saw an aggressive sell yesterday, and then the market started to shoot up again. The market recovered that very quick. So it means there might be a room for this. If this is correct, if the market is going to respect this support, we might see gold starting to push to the upside. But it's difficult, as we know that Jay Powell, Fed Chair Jay Powell, he said that he's going to increase the rates maybe twice, maybe more. You see, so that have like serious impact on gold, some serious impact on gold, because everyone is expecting the interest rates to go up. So this might keep gold pushing lower, or it will just push lower, try to recover very quick, push lower, but at the end of the day, the market will be going down. It's quite similar to here. The market has been doing that. It pushes lower and you think maybe the market will recover, then it keeps pushing lower again. So let's be extra careful on this. But the best thing that is going to help us is going to be CPI, which is going to be next month, unfortunately, but it comes before the Federal Reserve. So if maybe things are going lower, I think they're not going to increase that much. We will see. We will see. So when we go closer, we start to realize that yes, we have the market did touch that area. It seems like the market will be trying to push towards that area again. You see this point here, the market touched that and pushed up again. So it seems like the market is coming back. So we will see. And if it comes back, remember the market already gave us something. We don't really have to look much back further. We will do something like this. And at the end of the day, we're going to try to remove these lines. There are so many. Now they're no longer even making sense. So now we have something like this. So it's like we're waiting for the market to do what? To push towards this area. Then maybe we will see another push. We're waiting for that. So now it's time for you to be patient. It's Friday. Mostly on Fridays, the market melts. The market do some crazy stuff. So on the other hand, we did smash US30. I hope my people in the group, they did smash US30. Those who took US30. What happened actually? You can see we still have this long position there. So what happened is the market during the, I think there was news, the market pushed lower aggressively. Then we had a buy pending order and the market touched that later on. I did not take that, obviously. And now what I see is, I see that the market is creating a nice resistance there. I think Apple is like seriously flying. I saw they are very close to 3 trillion market cap. That's crazy. That's seriously big. And as we know, there's 30 companies on US30. There's also, we including also Apple. So that's why we saw it pushing up like that. I think I saw someone also on the comment section, the time we were on a live session, he said something like that, that's Apple, it's doing something like that. So here we have a sort of a resistance. Let's push on 1 hour and see. Remember guys, it's Friday, the market can do its thing. So let's be careful. From Monday to today, actually, we traded very nice. So we need to keep that spirit going to next week. Sometimes you lose Friday and it just mess up your week. Sunday, Saturday, then things are just not good. So you will be waiting for Monday. So let's not do that. But here I'm expecting a very nice breakout, which I think we're going to have a buy until the market closes or until the market opens. I think up to this point, we have a resistance on top there. I mean, on US30. I think we still have something like that. But remember, also US30 doesn't really care much about interest rates because there are banks there. So they enjoy them, those interest rates hikes, because the more you loan, if you're going to take some loans around the banks, I mean in the US, it means the interest rates are going to be high. If you buy a car, interest rates is going to be high. If you buy something, interest rates is going to be way too high because the interest rates, they are higher also. I hope you study about that because maybe I'm confusing you, but I know some of you already know, but I think I'll have to talk about that more. Interest rates, how when they talk about Federal Reserve and stuff like that, how do they affect these markets? Maybe that is going to help also. Because I also had some issues with that, so I had to watch my more than 10 videos just to understand that, because I did not do like business, whatever, or economics at school. You see, so I did computer sciences. We did have business, but it wasn't like deeper like that. So now we are on NASDAQ. NASDAQ actually played games with us yesterday, so we took a loss on NASDAQ yesterday. But at least on the other ones, we did make some very nice profits. But besides that, let's go on a daily time frame and see what's really happening. And see what. Remember, guys, later on we're gonna go on our live session, but it's gonna be a little bit earlier, as I'm also going to go on Trader Nick channel. So yeah, we global, guys. We are global. So what's really happening? We can easily see that actually we need to also collaborate with someone. I think maybe on Thursdays. Then on Fridays we go on Trader Nick channel. On Thursday maybe we can do something with someone else. So anyways, now on NASDAQ we can easily see that the market is actually still on this uptrend. It's been like that for quite some time now, even though we see some sort of reversals, but at the end of the day the market is still pushing to the upside. And now if we go closer there, we will see that the market is trying to push up again. So let's push on for our time frame. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I forgot to show you our special. Let me show you that special. While you still smashing that subscribe button. While you still smashing that subscribe button. Let's see. Okay. Come on. It's too slow, man. Okay, yeah, there it is, guys. So that is $39, guys, for our lifetime VIP signals. On these signals, you're going to get NASDAQ, US30 gold, USOIL, currency pairs. We don't really choose which one, as long as I see that there is an opportunity. But mostly we trade major pairs. We don't really go on minor. Minor pairs, I'm talking about like Euro JPY, CHF JPY, CAD JPY, those minus one, because major ones actually we include the dollar in there. So I don't really go there because mostly they have a wider spread and they can be expensive to trade, you see. So that's what we actually cover. Even gold is included in there. So yeah, if you want to be part of the team, and this special actually has to end this Sunday, so you will let me know if you want to be part of the team. Here it's my WhatsApp, or you can check the link for my WhatsApp channel. So as I showed you that the market is actually pushing to the upside on NASDAQ, we can easily see that, yes, I think it's still continuing like that. Yesterday actually the market was around this area. The market was here, pushed lower. I thought maybe the market was going to buy. Yes, the market did, but firstly it went lower, that crazy lower, and then I could not keep it that. Then now look what's happening. Now the market is pushing to the upside. So I'm just expecting the market to break this area. Then I think we're gonna have a very nice trade, or I think it's better for me to wait for this horizontal structure to be broken on this one here. I think this one it will be much better. Do you see that? I think once I should wait for that also. Then if the market breaks this area structure, then I will be expecting to have a very nice buy above this area. But on top there, we also have a sort of resistance around 15 to 80, 15 to 8, around that area. That is going to be our stronger resistance. So, but I'm expecting the market to keep pushing to the upside. Anyways, we did smash the market in the market. I mean, we did eat early, so we're not going to fight the market. We're going to relax and wait for a proper opportunity before we jump on the market. Anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends later on before the market opens. I think today we're gonna go around 2 o'clock, so that we can also join Trader Nick channel, Trader Nick on his channel. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.